Today we'll talk about how can you find holidays you create on your School Planner app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your School Planner app. So all you have to do to find this list on your app. So you just go above this sign here, you click on it. When just click here on when you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So then all you have to do, you just click here on settings, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on holidays. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list here. So then here you will find all holidays you have. I have nothing, but if you have any holidays you create before, you will find it here in this list. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.